Hi everyone. Welcome to prompt configuration for your LangChain version 1 agent project. So we are covering here all the updates and the changes made in the LangChain version 1 agents here. So the LangChain is releasing version 1 in late October 2025, and they have released their alpha version of LangChain version 1 that you can install using this particular command. All the setup and the code file is given here, and then you can come at my GitHub repository. So at the GitHub repository, you have LangChain version 1 agent. You can also come to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to like and subscribe this channel. Once you subscribe, you will get all the updates whenever I publish here new videos. So here I have LangChain version 1 agents videos. All these are inside this particular playlist. Perfect. Let's come back here and see how we are going to create our prompt configuration. So if you have watched my previous video, all these 5 videos, there you will see I have created the agent without the prompt. But in the agent, prompt is an integrated part. So if you see here, you will notice that you have LLM, you have a tool, you have a prompt. Then what will happen here in this particular prompt? Earlier we used to give it empty there, but now we are going to provide the prompts as well. So we'll be providing the prompts, and then you can also provide the tool if you want. And all these things can be also provided. Basically prompt, LLM and tool, then this makes here finally an agent. So let's see how many methods are there to provide a prompt. There are 2 methods to provide the prompt. Method 1, where we have a string prompt, and that is going to be the one of the simplest way. And the method 2 is the system message. So we can use system message, which we have to import from the messages in the LangChain, and then we can use that. Let's go ahead and see how we can work with this. So these are the necessary libraries. We are using here the Chat-Ollama to connect with our Qwen 3 model. As you already know that we are working with the local LLM, where I already have installed the Ollama. In the agents, I import basically from the langchain.agents, I import the create agent, and then I import here the system message from the LangChain core.messages. I import here the system message. All right, and thereafter I import the tools. So all of my tools which I'm going to use in this particular playlist, all these are here, the tools.py. All right, so in the tools.py, we have all these things here. Helper, tool, and request, and all these things are here. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and run this. In fact, let me just restart this so that I can run it from the first cell, a fresh notebook. Okay. So this particular tool, it is one of the simplest tool. It is not going to implement any method or functionality. It is just going to have some doc string, which will be used for the LLM. And thereafter, it is going to get a request. And then we just return this request with a formatted string. I just want to show you here that how you can use this particular tool for the prompt configuration. That's all. So the major topic in this lesson to know that how you can pass a prompt to your agent. So one of the simplest method to pass your prompt, you need to create your model instance. Model equal to the Chat-Ollama. I pass my model name here, so it creates the model instance, and the base URL is already here. By default, is the base URL is the local host. Thereafter, I create my agent 1 with the create agent, one of the simplest method to provide your prompt here. So you have a prompt equal to you are a helpful assistant, be concise and accurate in your responses. Okay, so all these things we have here. Thereafter, what I do here, then I just do it like this, and then I just execute this. Okay, so we have all these. You have your method 1. Okay, and then the agent 1 created with the string prompt. Characteristics are like this: direct string, instructions, simple and readable, good for basic use cases, easy to modify. All these things are here. Okay, let's go ahead and see how you can create our second agent. Okay, so I create my second agent using the system message prompt. So using the system message prompt, this is how you can do this. You can provide your system message. Inside the system message, you can provide your content here, and thereafter you can invoke it. Okay, then what you do here, you can pass it something like this. All right, perfect. So you have your direct prompt. This is how you can provide. And as you see here, I have already imported system message from the LangChain core.messages. Okay, and then let's go ahead and execute this. So with this, we get our system message prompt. Okay, so this is how we get this, our method 2. Okay. All right, so our agent 1 and the agent 2 is ready. Let's go ahead and test your agents here. So first of all, I'm going to test my first agent with the question. So the question is very simple. Help me understand the artificial intelligence. It is going to invoke agent 1 and then it is going to give us the result. So that is the agent 1. As I execute this, it is going to give us the result here. So in agent 1, we had passed our system prompt as a simple string prompt. And now you can see it is working perfectly fine. There is no error, nothing. You have got the output. And here is the other method where we can test our agent 2. So in the agent 2.invoke, the same thing it is going to be like, same question is going to be like this only. And thereafter, I just simply execute this. Okay, so as I execute this, I get again result 1 for the agent 1 and thereafter result 2 for the agent 2. So this is how we are gonna get. For the agent 1 we get here, and then for the agent 2 we get it here. All right. So here you get the agent 2. So this is how we are going to get it. Okay, so this is how you can work with the agent and you can provide your prompt separately, which we have not done previously in any of these lessons. But now you know that how you can pass a prompt to your agent. All right, perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. I hope that you have liked this video, and please do not forget to like and subscribe this channel as well, so that whenever I published other videos, you can get the update directly. All right, bye bye. Take care.